Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
We pick Everlast PowerMTS 211C as our top pick multi-process welder. If you are looking for an all-around performer in your fab shop or need a go-to unit on the work site, then this PowerMTS has more than enough capability to handle most daily chores. As one of the newest multi-process welders in the Everlast PowerMTS line, the unit has been completely redesigned with the user in mind. This new digital inverter model features all the capability of previous generations, but also adds synergic capability to the MIG component of the MIG TIG stick welder. The synergic offers quick setup and use of the welder based off of user input of wire diameter and metal type. Manual override is always a choice when operating the unit in the synergic mode, so that the operator can fine-tune the settings to perform to his or her expectations. Compare that to other models on the market, and you'll see how easy everything is to operate and connect by comparison. Its adjustable MIG waveform control manages slope inductance and fine-tunes arc characteristics. Combined with the arc force control, this makes the 175 amp stick mode very capable of handling up to 1/8 welding rods. In the compact multi-process market, Everlast has designed and introduced this touchless TIG start for maximum weld quality. Its adjustable TIG up-down slope allows the user to control the end of the welding cycle. Its exclusive 9-channel memory function allows favorite settings to be stored for quick setup. I recommend the Everlast PowerMTS 211C for shop professionals hunting for a multi-purpose all-in-one package to replace their older machines, or a hobbyist that we select WellPro 200 as our second best multi-process welder. The WellPro 200 is a compact welder that offers excellent performance at a great price. With over 300 experts from every corner of the industry, WellPro has forged a machine that's as reliable as it is intuitive. The WellPro 200 multi-process welder removes the guesswork from the finer adjustments required of most MIG stick devices. And its power capabilities offer TIG welders a fantastic value in a smaller than usual package. Their synergistic technology can fine-tune your wire speed and voltage on the fly without your input. Or, if you'd rather calibrate and dial in your settings, you can tweak the voltage yourself. Unlike many welders I've tested, this one weighs in less than my dog, at 30 pounds. That's way below the average of 40 pounds. That means it's great for those that want to weld on site and need a device that's dependable and easy to carry. WellPro's IGBT inverter system is what you have to thank for your painless experience of carting the tool out of your truck bed and into your garage. Our third pick is Forney EZ Weld 271. This is a welder that can be used for different categories of welding. It can be used for stick welding, up to 4 different types of MIG welding, and for TIG welding. So, let's check the details.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney EZ Weld 140 MP. It's capable of MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a single-phase inverter multi-process welder. The input is 120 volts and the max output is 140 amps. This machine comes with a quick start guide, manual, and Forney contact info in case you have questions. It also comes with a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, MIG gun, an extra 030 contact tip, stick electrode holder, ground cable, and clamp. The selector switch allows you to choose MIG, stick, or TIG welding. The left knob is for voltage and amps depending on what mode you're in. This machine is designed to hold 10 pounds of gas or gasless wire. The right knob is for the wire feed speed while in MIG or wire feed mode. If you want to use shielding gas for true MIG welding, you will also need to purchase a regulator and a gas line. We recommend item numbers 85363 and 85663 as they are not included with this machine. If you want to TIG weld, this is a lift arc TIG machine and the TIG torch is sold separately. For stick welding, you can use up to 1/8 inch electrode. That sums up the Forney EZ Weld 140 MP. This is the perfect machine to learn the basics of welding and get experience with different processes. It's ideal for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, hobbyists, and metal artists. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like denim or cotton, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and FR jacket.
Our number 4 is Lotos LTPDC2000D 3-in-1 combo welding machine. This welder boasts 200 a MIG welding and 200 a TIG welding. Plus, it ships with a third function as a plasma cutter. I like the combination of MIG and plasma cutter because TIG is the hardest and most costly form of welding in these devices. Plasma cutter potential opens the door for many at-home welders and professionals who'd likely never use a TIG setup. With dual voltages at 110V and 220V, you can use this in your garage or with a beefier electrical setup in a shop. I found the machine cuts smoothly and accurately enough with the house power option. But if you try cutting too long or too thick with 110V, you'll pop breakers. The plasma cutter uses non-touch arc pilot technology. That means the torch can cut straight lines through various surfaces without dropping slag all over your shop floor. The touchless technology also adds longevity to your consumables, which you go through much faster than you realize with metal-to-tip plasma cutters. I recommend the Lotos LTPDC2000D 3-in-1 welder to do-it-yourselfers or those with small shops that need to fit a lot of tool in a cramped space. Now our last pick is Everlast Power MTS 251C. This machine is a beast. It's still portable, but don't expect to cart it off your truck bed throughout the day. It weighs in at 80 pounds, and it feels every ounce of that weight. The 251 moniker designates its amperage output, which is nearly 100 more amps more than the previous Everlast multi-purpose welder I reviewed. That's a lot of power, and I doubt you'll need it all the time. But if you're a shop owner or construction site foreman that wants to snatch all the business they can, this is a great buy for you. With this machine you'll also receive a smattering of heavy-duty peripherals, including a metal foot pedal with 25 feet of lead, a thick-gauge TIG torch, a robust MIG gun, ground clamp, snazzy flow meter, plugs for 120 and 220 volts outlets, and consumables for the TIG and MIG components. Checking the specs, the Power MTS 251C can weld at similar times and voltages as shop machines that only do a third of the processes as this machine. It can hold an easy 12 or 15 pounds of MIG wire, and they made the drive spool of die-cast aluminum. For those of you that want to weld aluminum, I doubt there's a better machine on the market. The PowerMTS offers both AC and DC pulse TIG welding, with the option for different waveforms. This machine will thrill the right consumer. And for you I say, buy it now. It's a beast.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!